Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today we're going to be meal prepping with ground beef and making some sliders, so stay tuned. So we've been cutting calories where we can, but sometimes you still want a good hamburger. And we found sliders are the way to go. You can have a slider and it's half the size of a normal burger, and therefore it's going to be half the calories. They had an Angus beef sale at United Grocery Outlet last Tuesday, and I bought a family pack of ground chuck for $8.89, and this pack is 2.97 pounds. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down the parchment paper, and then I make these into slider size patties. I did wash my hands, but if you need a hand washing fix, I'll put a link to that video in the video description, and it should pop up here in the video too. Now, I'm sure some people do this differently, but this is how I do it. Like I said, I make them into slider size patties, and you can make these thinner if you want, but we like a thick burger, so our mini burgers are going to be thick too. If I wanted them to be thin, I would just go up to Crystal's and buy a few Crystals. This will make 12 sliders, so that's about 70 something cents a slider. Well, according to the calculator, it's 74 cents a slider. That's pretty good for the way the price of groceries is steadily going up these days. And that's why I buy family packs when they're on sale, and I store them in the deep freeze. We like our slider on these Slider Hawaiian rolls, and they were on sale for $1.99 a pack. They come 12 to a pack, so that's under 20 cents a roll. Let me figure it up. Okay, it's 17 cents a roll. So that puts us at 91 cents for our slider. I wrap each patty in aluminum foil, and then I'll place the individually wrapped patties in a freezer bag. I'm going to leave 4 out and go ahead and cook those. That will be our supper tonight and tomorrow. I don't really do anything special when cooking these. I heat my cast iron on, it's a notch below medium on the stove. Put my patties in, sprinkle salt and pepper, and then I place my cast iron bacon press over the patties so they'll cook quicker. Then when I flip them, I make sure I salt and pepper the other side. I don't add any extra seasonings to it. You can if you want to. I just like a good simple burger. I'm going to go ahead and get the buns ready. These are Lewis brand Hawaiian slider buns. They're 90 calories per bun. I like ketchup on mine. Steve likes mustard on his. And then I'm going to take a slice of cheese, and I'm going to put some on the top and the bottom of each bun. And we're eating off of our fine china paper plates from Sam's. They come in handy if you don't feel like doing dishes because you're using what energy you have to do cooking videos. I want a couple of pickles on mine. Steve doesn't care for pickles. And I'm going to add a big slice of tomato on mine too. I'm still getting some tomatoes from my garden. Doesn't that look good? I also cooked up some tater tots in the air fryer, so we're going to have those with the sliders. And that's all there is to it. A quick, easy meal that's healthier than anything you're going to find at your local fast food place. And we've already got 2 prepared for tomorrow, so all I got to do is heat those up. And then we have 8 more left in the freezer for those days when we want something besides fish, because we eat a lot of fish. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and as always, have a blessed week.